forms of linear equations. Then we're going to look at the kind of slopes that parallel and perpendicular lines have. Some of this stuff you probably already know. We're just reviewing it in this video, so that tomorrow we can jump right into some stuff. Alright, first of all, slope-intercept form. Okay, slope-intercept form is a graphing form that we've seen most of the time in Algebra 1 and some in geometry. Alright, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Alright, remember, in this form, y and x, those will stay there. There's just some point if you wanted to plug one in. M is your slope. And b is your y-intercept. So again, m's our slope, b's our y-intercept. Aptly named slope-intercept form. Makes sense. Alright, this form comes from the equation that we have for slope. That equation is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, one thing I'm going to have you do on your whisk, which you'll see later, is I'm going to ask you to rearrange this to make our equation for slope-intercept form. Okay, I'll give you a hint with that. We're going to use the points x, y, and 0, b. Again, in your whisk, you guys will be solving that, rearranging some stuff to make our equation for slope-intercept form. Point-slope form. The point-slope form is the next form that we're going to look at. Point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, in point-slope form, m is still our slope. x1, y1 is just a point. Okay, it's just some point on our line. So these are two forms that we're going to look at today: slope-intercept form and point-slope form. Now we talk about parallel and perpendicular lines. Just a quick hit on those. Parallel lines will always have the same slope. Okay, parallel lines will always have the same slope. So they'd both be 2 or both be 4. Perpendicular lines, on the other hand, have the negative reciprocal slope of each other. Again, the negative reciprocal slope. Okay, so negative reciprocal will be things like 2 and negative 1/2, or 4/3 and negative 3/4. These are negative reciprocal slopes. Alright, so pretty short video today. Just reminding you guys of some forms you should already know, and then checking out what parallel and perpendicular slopes mean. Again, something we should know. Good to have a reminder of it before we jump into class tomorrow. On your whisk, make sure first of all you answer all the questions. One of them will be, again, going from that equation for slope into the slope-intercept form. So work on figuring that out. See you guys tomorrow.